everyone! So welcome to our house series. Today we are going to be tackling this bathroom. Come on in!
Okay, let's start with some shopping first.
Okay, Dollarama in general is a great place to shop for things because they just have everything you need basically, and it's so affordable.
They have these collapsible baskets. These would be really good. You can easily store them and open them once you want to use them. Definitely need these. This one looks really good. It's $4.75, but black one won't match our theme. Maybe this one. This is a clear one.
$150, that is so affordable.
Looking for a shower curtain, but I don't see any ones that I like. But I do need this liner, so I'll get that. These are soap bottles, but they won't match again the theme that I'm going for.
There's so many different options and they all are under $5.
Aww.
None of this actually matches the aesthetic we're trying to go for. Maybe this one. I think it's for kids or something. What is this?
It's mine. No, it's mine.
Okay.
This is a nice towel. It looks nice, right?
Good material.
I'm going to start with cleaning and then the fun part, which is decorating it. Okay, so these are the two products that I mainly use for bathroom. Both are from Lysol. I like to use a sponge. It's just easier to clean with it. Okay, so sink is all clean and now we can move on to the next step. So you just use this head and then you just stick this part onto here and then it's ready for use. So it goes like in this circular motion. Okay, so that turned out great. It actually cleaned so well and saved me so much time plus my back. Now I'm just gonna tackle the floors with the same brush. Okay, cleaning done. Now we can finally move on to the fun part, which is decorating. I have a theme in mind. Starting off with the shower curtains, and yes, this is our theme. It's going to be green, but we're going to start first with this one. So basically this is like a shower curtain liner and it goes inside the tub so that all the water that falls on this one and not on your good shower curtain. And this we just got from Dollarama. This was like $3.25, so very affordable. You can also just have this, but you know, add another one, which is going to be this one for us. So beautiful, so green, I love it. This we got from JYSK and it feels so premium. This is like the waffle pattern on it. Very excited to see how this looks. Cute. So this is what just the frosted one would look like. Oh, nice. Time for the next one. I think this in itself will add so much character. Yeah. Okay, time for the big reveal. Do it. How does it look? I love it. I like this color. It's already making such a huge difference. Like, it looks so good. Okay, and now we have the mat, also in green color, also from JYSK. This is their plus bath mat. It's like around 50 to 80 centimeters and yeah, looks pretty cute. So I'm not sure where to set it up. Maybe here at the door or here at the bathtub. We might need another one, we'll see. It is so soft to stand on. Okay, so for towels, this is the bath towel. So I'm just going with white color and I'll just put it right here. And then this is the hand and face towel and I'll just hang that one here. I do have a basket for it. So this is basically what it looks like and you can just hang it anywhere. Maybe here. And I'll just put like my shampoo and conditioner in here because I don't have anything right now inside the bathtub to store all those things. For now, we're just gonna use this one. Okay, so let's move to the sink now. So here I have this glass from HomeSense, and this is like a plastic glass that you would use like outside in the patio. But I thought this would look so cute to hold like brushes and toothpaste and stuff. So I'll just put this one right here. And for soap, I'm just using like this container. This is from IKEA. I still have these pieces over here that we can decorate. So I'm thinking maybe I'll add like a cute basket or a plant. So let's see what I have in the storage. Found this cute little plant. This is just from Dollarama, but it looks so good. I think it'll look good over here. I'll find something else for this side. But for here, I thought I'll use this tray. I got this, I think, from HomeSense again. And on this, I'll just put my hyaluronic acid, which I use every morning, and also my cleanser from Tatcha. I love this one so much. So I'm just gonna keep those here. Maybe I should put that one first. Just keep that here. A cute little tray for things that I use every morning. It still has some space if I want to remove like my rings and stuff. I can put it there. I got this cute little basket again from JYSK. You see we've done a good damage over there, but they have really good stuff. So this basket I'm just going to use for toilet paper. Like we'll just put extra toilet paper in here. And then it still has like some space, so room freshener. And then I'll just add it here. I think that looks cute. Okay, so this is the vanity. It has a lot of storage still. So the first drawer here, I'm gonna add like a liner here and then put some more of my skincare and stuff that I would use. So I'm still deciding on that. And then here is like all the cleaning stuff. This is like just a cupboard style. So this is where all the cleaners and everything go. I think it's looking pretty good. It's still coming together. I'm sure we're gonna add like some paintings in here. Maybe we'll find something that's more useful as we start using this washroom. And I definitely want to update this lining of this mirror to something that's like waterproof. I'm thinking contact paper, but if you have any better ideas, let me know. And oh my god, it's missing a bulb. Okay, so it's been 1 month since last setup and we've made some changes to it, so very excited to show you what it looks like right now. So come on in! We've kept the green theme obviously, and you saw this curtain which we've been loving. So you saw we were missing a bulb, so that has been changed now. We do have a bulb, it looks so much brighter. And I added these like fake vines in here just to again add to the theme, and I think it looks so cute. Ooh, another change we made, as I was talking about, was the frame of this mirror. So we actually added contact paper over here, and it looks so much more better than the silver and like a little bit rusted frame that it had before. So yeah, we're loving this, how it adds to the whole vibe. This area is again for things that I use on a daily basis. If I keep it outside, I remember to use them, so those are there. This one pretty much is the same. Oh, if you would have noticed, we did remove the frame that was here. It was a towel rack. We weren't using it as much, so we thought we'd just remove it. But we did use the basket quite a bit, so we've added it here and we just have like extra towels, all of those things here. These all things we've been using, so we've kept it as is. Other new things that we added is a little bit of like diffuser, and then this one is one of my favorite things. So what we do is basically when we travel, we collect like stones, or if we go to the beach, we collect shells. So this we found like a cute little wooden bowl, and then we added all the stones and shells that we collected here. And honestly, this one is my absolutely favorite. It has all these like patterns and designs on this. This is all natural, by the way.
Yeah, it looks like coral reefs.
Yeah, and it's so, I was like so happy when I got this. And then these are like other shells that we found. We also have like some stones. So this is one, like my friend gifted this to me. It's an amethyst. So yeah, we just collect all of those here and then keep it right here to add to the earthy good vibes of the bathroom. So yeah, this wall is definitely looking a bit empty, so I do want to add like a painting here, and maybe we can do it right now. So I do have some options. I'm not sure which one to go for. So first one is this. Wow. We got this from our Brazil trip from Rio. It's so cute. I'm not sure if we should use this in our living room or in the bathroom. Let's see what it would look like. So something like this. It might like not look as good, Just because there's so much empty space right now.
It's really small.
Yeah, okay, so maybe in the living room. If we use something and you think another option looks better, do let me know in the comments below so I can switch it up, but maybe not this one. The other option I have is this beautiful peacock, and I guess like blue and green. So I think this might look really good. Yeah, I think this might look nice. What do you think?
Yeah, it really goes well with the theme.
Yeah,
for sure.
And then the other option is this painting that we got from IKEA. This also has green and pink.
Not bad, but I like the frame because we can keep switching it up.
Yeah, I also like the frame. So okay, we'll go with the peacock one. Okay, I think it looks really good. It still looks a little bit empty over here and even like this wall. So I think we can add more paintings if we like find something good. We'll definitely add something here and here. But overall, I think it's looking pretty good. And oh, we also added these hooks just like to have some extra space if you want to hang extra towels and stuff. So these are really useful, and then they're hidden once the door is open. And this is just like very easily removable. It is like a hook kind of thing, so you can just move it around wherever you feel like you need the space. And we just got it from Dollarama. So this was the whole bathroom setup makeover that we did. I love it so much. If there's anything that we should change or add, do let me know in the comments below. Always looking for your recommendations and suggestions. And yeah, this was the first bathroom in the house. We still have another bathroom that we have to decorate, so stay tuned for that video. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye!